Okay, today's class I'm going to tell about testing. Okay, so testing means what? I'm testing the code. Okay, I'm testing the code. See, manual testing. Manual testing means what? Some design will be there. Okay, you will be having some design. Okay, some design is there. You have to check in the design the things are written properly or not. Suppose password is there. Okay, password should be more than 6 characters. How will you check it? By putting values. Okay, whether 3 characters you will give. Okay, 7 characters you will give. Whether it's validating or not, manually you are testing those code. Yes, it is validating all those values, whether it is working properly or not. You will put it in one Excel sheet. Okay, that is called manual testing. We call it as manually. I will test it. Anybody can test it manually. If I tell, okay, just test whether all these things are working properly or not, means you will just give the input and you will check it. Password is greater than 6 characters or not. For some other code, event number is entered or not, or a credit card 8 digits are entered or not. So those you can test it manually. That is okay. You are not going inside the code. Okay, that is what manual testing we call it as. Now, now I am talking about white box testing. It means a developer only will write the code to test the code whether it is working as per the requirement or not. See, generally what happens, we will go to the customer, okay, who wants to develop the project. He will give certain requirements. As per the requirement only, I have to validate the code. The code has to be written. Okay, that is why. So let us go with one demo in this one. Okay, so that you can understand this testing part and all. Okay, so I am creating a class library project first. Okay, I'm not going with the what main method. Okay, console application. Why? Because main method is what? It is executable function. I did not have to test the main method. In the main method, what will be there? Methods will be there. I have to execute it. Testing also what will be there? I have to check it by running the code. So first, what I will do, I will create a class library project. Class library project means what? DLL file. Okay, in the DLL file, what will be there? Your code will be there. Okay, that code I will test it. Okay, so now all of you along with me type the code which I am telling now. Okay, so all of you open Visual Studio. How I am typing, like that only you type. All of you open Visual Studio. So in the Visual Studio, create new project. You say in the Visual Studio, create new project. Don't be in a hurry. Here C Sharp Windows library. C Sharp Windows library. In this down, which one you I want? Class library .NET framework I want. Class library in the bracket .NET framework should be there. Okay. Next you say give the name of the library as password strength. Okay. Password strength. PASS password strength. STRENGTH. Password strength. You give the name. Let the solution name be, let it be different. What solution name? Testing demos. Let the solution name be testing demos. Okay, solution name is in the solution. First project is what? Password strength. Okay, so create this file like this. Now write the code which I am telling to you. Okay, password strength. So I am writing a code to test the strength of the password. Okay, I am writing the code to test the strength of the password. Okay, what is this? Change the class name here. Public class password strength meter, like that you write the class name, because the class name should be different na? Same namespace, same thing, you don't keep it. Okay, okay, now I will tell you what code you have to write. You write along with me that code. In this one method is there, public. All of you type along with me, huh? Public static int get password strength. This is the method. Okay, this method will give me the in this method will take one variable as password. Okay, and that will calculate the strength of the password, whether the password is strong or not. Okay, if write down if string dot is null or empty. Okay, return 0. Uh, if you are not written anything, okay, empty you are giving me, I am returning 0. Okay, then if password dot length is greater than 8, if your password is greater than 8, okay, then I will say that result should be They have to declare one variable, guys, here. Int result. Int result. Int result should be int result to declare on the top, you declare one variable int result. Okay, first you declare one variable on the top, int result is equal to 0. Okay, if your result is equal to result plus 1, every time the things are more, I will increase the strength of the this one. Okay, I will increase the strength of this one result. Okay, and I will return that result later on. Later on I will return the result. Okay, if the password, okay, password dot any, if password dot any is in your password, if you are having is upper, upper thing is there. Okay, upper character is there, means then again result will be result plus 1, result plus 1. Okay, like that. If in your password lower character is there, if in your password dot any, okay, char dot is lower is there, lower character is there, lower letter is there, then also you say result is equal to result plus 1. Like that, one by one I am increasing the strength of the this thing, what the password strength. Okay, next. Okay, I will put one thing in the code share, one long thing that you paste it here. Okay, 1 minute. Let me put one thing in the code share here. Okay, 1 minute. So Raghu Airtel SIM, in that I have kept it. Okay, copy this code and paste it how I am keeping it, like that. In the code share I am keeping the code. Go to the code share. Okay, copy that code. Okay, and paste it in the code where I have kept it here. No? Come to the code program and paste it here. If the these are special characters, okay. If I am having special characters, that special character string I am converting into an array. One character I am putting in the array. Each array I am iterating, and if that array contains that special character, again result will increase by 1. Okay, if at the rate is there, again, okay, still more password. At that hash is also there, result will increase. Like that I am telling. Last I will put then if password dot any is having what, char dot is digit is also there, you are using digit also in your password. Okay, then also like this. So finally I will return the result. So this much you all of you write down. So this much code I have written to test the strength of the password, to test the strength of the password. This code is there in the class library project. So slowly you write down. Okay, now for this I want to do white box testing, functional testing I want to do. Okay, generally developers only will do the testing because they know the code well, how to write and all, they know the code well. Okay, for that purpose developers only will do the testing. So now first I am writing the code. On that code I will do the testing. Okay, in testing no MCQs, in testing no this exam will be there, but when you are doing some project, at that time they will ask you to write the test case for your code. They will ask you to how to write the test case for your code. Now we will see that one, right? So everyone write up to this, afterwards I will move forward. Written everyone? Okay, written. Okay, so now this is the code. Now right click on the solution explorer and add a new project. Don't be in a hurry, add a new project. In the project, instead of library, select testing. Anywhere testing is there, testing is there, test is there, na? Test, you select the test. So they are providing different test templates. Okay, MS test project, N unit you can use, X unit you can use. Okay, many varieties are there. Okay, I will use Microsoft unit testing provided by .NET framework. Unit test project in the bracket .NET framework is there. That one you select it. Okay, that one you select it. Select that one and say next. What name you want to give? You give some name like testing testing password strength, like that. You give some name, testing password strength. This is a test. In this program I will write the test case to test the password strength. Okay, return, say create, say create. See here, it has come like this, testing password strength. So on this method there is a attribute test method. There is a attribute test class. What this test method will do, it will test the any other code, any code which you have written. I am in the some other project, I have to give reference to the password strength project, I have to give reference. So first what you do, build the solution. Once build the solution, so that DLL file will be created for password strength code. Once build the solution nicely, all of you build the solution. You build the solution. Okay, now right click on the references, which one, password testing password strength. Add reference, add reference. Where is that file? You know where is that file? Browse the file. Okay, browse the file, password strength. So I am in Raghavendra, source code is there, source. You know source. What is my program name? Repos. What is my program name? Password strength. So I have to check that program, password strength. Oh, it is here in the passwords. This is the solution name. In that what I want? No, this is not the one. Password strength, another I have written, I think so. Two programs I have written. Hmm. Here it is there, another one, password strength. It is showing two things to me. This I don't want. Yesterday I was doing this one. Where I have created this one then? Another okay, I have created somewhere else. Let me check once. Okay, let me check this one. Where is this testing demos? Okay, testing demos. Okay, mine is testing demos, guys. Okay, so right click, add reference, browse, back you go. So in the repos, testing demos, my project test, in the testing demos I build the solution. Class library project is password strength. Go to the bin directory, debug, select the DLL file and add reference in the testing project. Okay, say okay. So reference is added, reference is added na. So automatically here this namespace will come. Okay, if you are using this this one, what unit testing framework and all, it will come automatically. Now next what I have to do, I have to test that code. Okay, to test the code, what to do, let us do that, let us do that one. Okay, what is the namespace of that one? Which namespace is that one? Using what is the name, say password strength or something like that. That is the namespace na, because once you add the DLL file you have to give the namespace also, right? Now let us write the code. Okay, first arrange. Okay, first I want to arrange all the things. Next I want to act. Next what I want to do, I want to assert. Assert means assume. Okay, so arrange. First I will arrange all the things. What I will arrange? String. Okay, I'm writing something. String password is equal to new. Password is equal to. I'm giving some password here. Okay, um, Rajesh Ash 123. Okay, like this I have given the password. Okay, all of you. Okay, I am telling that int expected, int expected, I am expected that this is telling I am expected that 6 I am expecting 3 I am expecting. Means what? Capital letter is there. Okay, capital is there, small is there, special symbol is there, number is there. So how much the score will come if I send it to what, to that function? 4 the score should come na. So this is the one. Now I act it. How I will act it? So I will act like this. See, I will act. So I will act. How I will act? See, int actual. Act means actual. What I will call that function and I will get the actual value. Actual value is tested with the expected value. If it is correct means my test case is pass. Otherwise my test case is not pass. Okay. So how will I get the actual value? I have to call the class name as password strength. Na? What is the class name? Password strength dot password strength meter is the function name. In that what you will pass? You will pass this password, you will pass. Okay, that there it will go and it will give you the result. Okay, why it is giving me error to me? Okay, wait, what is the code here? Let me check here what I have written. You should be, this is what is the program password class name is this one, static na, password strength meter dot get password strength, correct only na? Then what is password length dot get password strength, method name is get password strength. Okay, get password strength meter, it is not coming.
Password strength meter dot get password.
Okay, that is the class name na. Get password strength. Okay, like that you have to write it. Now it's okay. I think it's okay. 3p, yes, 1s. Okay. So from here I will get the actual value, and above I am expecting some value. Okay, that is the what actual value I will get. Then assert, in the assert what I will write? I will write like this. What I will write? A assert or equal, like this you have to write. Whether this both the things will match or not, that's what I have to see. My test case will pass or not, that's what I have to see. So you have to right click here, okay, and you have to run test. One bottle symbol is there, run test, execute it. It is running. What it will happen, let us see. Fail, red mark came na. For you also red mark came, na, because it is not correct. Okay, let us calculate with the 4. See how I am doing, here you check the code here. Rajesh na, you check the code here. More than 8 characters are there. Check. More than 8 are there. Yes, more than 8. One number added. More than 8 means one number added na. Okay. Then guys, upper is there, 2 added. Lower is there, 3 added. Special character is there, 4 added. So 4 is the correct one. Digit is there, 5 added. Digit is also there, 5 added. So 5 I think so. It will match with the 5. So go again to the unit test case. Instead of expected value is 5 and actual is also 5. Just build the solution again, and again run the test case. Right click there and again run the test case. Now you see once, yes, it pass. Okay, it got pass na, 5 pass. If I am putting another character here at the rate special character, okay, see you go to the code. In the code what is there? In the code, if another special character is there means it will increment the code. 2 special characters is there means it will increment the code. So here in the unit test, another character means what? Now the test case will fail. How much it should be the expected? 6, correct. So 6 should be expected. So again when I am right clicking here, again I am running the test case, it will fail now definitely, because right now it is not satisfying the things which I need it. So expected is 6 and getting is also so is 6. Then it will match. So again right click, you cannot run, you have to right click and run the test. Now it will pass, right? So like that you have to test the code. Even for a small thing also, you can write the code. Suppose addition of 2 numbers, 4 plus 8 is 7, but expected you are giving wrong value, but actual value you are getting something else. Then test case will not fail. Like that you have to write the test case, right? Now I am doing right click on the method. Okay, you don't want to do right click on the method, you can do right click on the test class. Then all the functions will be tested in the classes. Okay, so this is about testing, we call it as, right? With a simple example I have explained testing. There is something called test driven development also. Test driven development means what? First only I will write the test case. Okay, first only I will write the test case. Afterwards the developer will see, okay, these are the test cases, so I have to create this type of code, like that you will understand. Okay, let me create password strength meter, he will understand. Okay, what is his requirement, he will understand. Okay, so like that test cases he will give, and that is called test driven development, we call it as. Okay, to be on safer side, every time the code will be tested means later on in the last moment we will not face any problem if we do properly testing of the code. Okay, developer will write the code, then it will go to the tester. From the tester, if the code is not perfect, again it will come to the developer, again the code will be modified, again it will send to the tester. Like that it will go. This is small testing which developer only is doing. when some advanced testing is there, okay, with some tools and all, selenium testing, you might have heard it, okay, they will do it, load testing, regression testing, all these things are there. Just once go through the notes, okay. Understood everyone? Okay, same thing I will send it as a notes, okay, right.